How to fix Instagram app not updating to the latest version. Hello everybody, welcome back. If your Instagram app is not being updated, you can follow up the steps. So the number one step is clearing the app's cache and data. So you can long press on the app itself and head over to the info section, or you can also use the settings if you want to head over to the section. Once you are there, you can scroll down and head over to the option that says storage, this one right here. After that, here you can easily find an option that says clear cache and clear data on the bottom. If you can go ahead and clear cache first. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and select the second option, which is clear data, which will clear everything of the Instagram and you need to reset everything. This is one of the methods. If this doesn't work, you can go ahead and try uninstalling the application and reinstalling by using your available App Store or Play Store on your device, depending upon your device. Once that is done, you can also check for Google Play Store updates, because that may be the reason why your app is not being updated. So make sure your app Play Store is also updated to the latest version if you're on Android. And another thing is checking your phone storage. So make sure your device has enough storage for the app to be updated, because that may be the reason. So for now, you can follow up the steps in order to fix the Instagram app not updating to the latest version. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.